Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, I am back. Never left, but I'm still here, if that makes sense. So I'm back today with another reaction video from the group EXO, and this is their song Obsession performed live on, what stage is this? Stage, which stage is this? Drama. Yes. I want it. Oh, the Japanese and the Koreans, their fans be off the chain. I want it out, I want to, I want to, I want it out, I'm a base so. I don't think 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 so. Miss Baby, yeah. I want to, I want it. EXO. Think so. I don't 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 think so. Give me baby, let it go. I want to, I want to, baby, I want to, 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 so, I don't think so. 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 It's my God, I want it, ha, 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 I want it, 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 So guys, that was the group EXO. EXO performed it live. Their song Obsession. I love it, love it, love it. As I've said over and over again, EXO is a beast when it comes to performing. They're a beast. Nothing to say about this. They're a beast. Love their song, love their visual, the music video, love their live performance, love everything about this group. They are a beast. Thanks to the person who recommended directed these videos and this group. I really do appreciate it. Also, for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. We'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you as I do. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.